How to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your CapCut application first. Then let's go ahead and add a project. Choose any project that you would like to add. Tap on to add. Once you have added the project, you will see a stickers option. If you just swipe into your left, tap onto stickers, swipe into your left again, and tap onto this bell icon. As you do so, you will see audio spectrum right here. Tap onto it. You can also minimize or maximize the size and place it wherever you would like. Once done, you can also lengthen its size to the end of the video. Once done, this is how it's gonna look like. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.